20 world-famous architects and their works. There is no doubt that architecture is one of the most important and impressive forms of art in the world. The buildings and structures that architects create are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also serve a practical purpose. In this short video, we will take a look at several world-famous architects and their most notable works. Each of these architects has made a significant contribution to the field of architecture and has left a lasting legacy. As we know, architecture is the process and/or product of designing and constructing buildings and other physical structures. Architecture is different from landscape architecture. The latter is the design of outdoor spaces, such as parks and gardens. Landscape architects often work with architects to create a unified look for a building and its surroundings. Architecture is a very important part of our lives. It affects the way we live, work, and play. Good architecture can make us feel happy, comfortable, and safe. Bad architecture can have the opposite effect. Over the centuries, some of the world's most talented and renowned architects have designed some truly iconic buildings and structures. From classical designs to contemporary masterpieces, these architects have made their mark on history. Let's take a look at their work. Frank Lloyd Wright. Frank Lloyd Wright was one of the most famous and influential architects of the 20th century. He is best known for his prairie-style homes, which were designed to fit in with the natural landscape. One of Frank Lloyd Wright's most famous works is the Falling Water House, which is built over a waterfall in Pennsylvania. The Solomon R. Guggenheim Museum is another masterpiece of form and function, and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Le Corbusier. Charles-Édouard Gehry, better known as Le Corbusier, was another renowned architect in the early 20th century. Of Franco-Swiss origin, he designed buildings all over Europe and North America, including the famous Villa Savoye in France. Le Corbusier is famous for his use of concrete as a building material and for his designs which incorporate natural light into their interiors. Notre Dame du Haut, a Roman Catholic chapel in Ronchamp, France, is characterized by its gently curved walls. Ludwig Mies van der Rohe. Mies van der Rohe was a German architect who lived in the early 20th century. He was famous for his minimalist design philosophy, which he called less is more. One of his most well-known buildings is the Barcelona Pavilion in Spain, which he co-designed with Reich. Originally erected in 1929 as the German National Pavilion for the 1929 Barcelona International Exhibition, it was rebuilt from 1983 to 1986. Louis Kahn. Louis Kahn was another famous architect who lived in the early 20th century. Born in Estonia, he immigrated to Philadelphia with his family at the age of 4. He has been described as one of America's greatest architects and designed several iconic buildings, including the Salk Institute in California and the Kimball Art Museum in Texas. A proponent of the monumental architecture style, he combined materials like concrete and oak to great effect. Frank Gehry. Frank Gehry is a contemporary Canadian-American architect who has become famous for his unique and often controversial designs. His most famous buildings include the Guggenheim Museum in Bilbao, Spain, the Louis Vuitton Foundation in Paris and the Walt Disney Concert Hall in Los Angeles. A leading light in deconstructivism, which is characterized by fragmentation, he has redefined traditional shapes and forms. Gehry's buildings evoke a feeling of movement. One great example is the Dancing House, also known as Fred and Ginger. This Prague landmark was co-designed with the Croatian-Czech architect Vlado Milunik. Renzo Piano. Renzo Piano is an Italian architect who has designed some of the most famous buildings in the world, including the Centre Georges Pompidou in Paris, Zentrum Paul Klee in Bern and the Shard in London. Influenced by his family builder background, his works focus on accessibility and harmony with nature. In 1998, Renzo Piano was awarded the Pritzker Prize, which is considered to be the highest achievement in architecture. Zaha Hadid. Zaha Hadid was a British architect who became famous in the early 21st century for her futuristic and often gravity-defying designs. She was nicknamed the Queen of the Curve, as many of her structures don't have right angles. Zaha Hadid's most renowned works include the London Aquatics Centre, Guangzhou Opera House in China, Antwerp Port House in Belgium and Haydar Aliyev Center in Baku, Azerbaijan. Rem Koolhaas. Rem Koolhaas is a Dutch architect famous for his innovative designs which merge technology with architecture. His most famous works include the Seattle Public Library and Casa da Música in Portugal. Koolhaas aims to blend tradition and modernity in his designs. He once said, "Talk about beauty and you get boring answers, but talk about ugliness and things get interesting." Norman Foster. Norman Foster is a British architect, known for his modernist designs, which merge engineering and architecture to create functional yet aesthetically pleasing buildings. Some of Norman Foster's most iconic building designs are the Reichstag dome on top of the Reichstag in Berlin and 30 St. Mary Axe, aka the Gherkin, in London. Norman Foster Studio also created London's Millennium Bridge, previously nicknamed the Wobbly Bridge as it moved when people walked on it.